In today's lesson, I'll show you how to add a festive Christmas outro to any song that ends in the key of C major. Here's some note C for reference. We'll start with the left hand. We're going to go down the chromatic scale and play C, B, B flat, A flat, G, and end with C octaves. On the right hand, we'll play C and E together. We'll play this 3 times, another 3 times, then we'll play it once more, and we'll play G, C, D, and end with G, B, and E together. We'll roll our fingers, and on the left we'll play C octaves. Playing with hands together gives us our C major 7 chord. Now let's add this ending to any song that ends with C or C major 7. Instead of playing our simple C major 7 chord, we'll play our Jingle Bells ending like so. What if your song ends in a different key? Well, I have you covered with the following tutorials. The links are in the description and comments section.